Hello everyone, welcome back and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix hide alerts in messages keep turning on by itself on iPhone even every time it's turned off. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please don't forget to subscribe. We start from basic. The first and basic method is launch settings and tap general. Now scroll down and tap shutdown. Drag the slider to power off. Wait for a couple of minutes and turn on your iPhone. Now we go for solution number 2. Check software update. To check that, launch settings, connect to Wi-Fi and make sure that you have a strong and stable Wi-Fi connection. Then tap general and tap software update and update your iPhone if update is available. Solution number 3. Reset all settings. Go to settings, tap general, tap reset all settings, iPhone passcode, and tap again reset all settings to confirm your action. Solution number 4. Force restart your iPhone. To force restart iPhone, quickly press and release volume up button, then quickly press and release volume down button and press side button until Apple logo appears. And if you're using old iPhone, then press home button and the power button at the same time until Apple logo appears. That's it. Hopefully friends you found this video helpful. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.